Hello, Lab Coat Agents, and what's going on, world? George Oberdorster coming to you right here from Southwest Florida, and I'm uber excited for this opportunity to help anyone and everyone willing to learn, willing to better the industry right here in real estate. I want to say big thank you to Tristan and Nick, all the admins and all the new moderators and old moderators within Lab Coat Agents. We are blessed to be here, and we're blessed to help you with over 90,000 agents. We're not only the biggest group, but we're probably the best group right out there to help and aid and mentor agents, give agents tools, and give agents that opportunity to better themselves in such a competitive and hard industry. I want to say thank you again, and I look forward to working with every single one of you. And if you want to follow my journey, you can definitely check out my YouTube channel that's already been launched and now is getting relaunched on YouTube, which is Red Hot Naples. But then you can follow me on my new journey through George Oberdorster right here on YouTube. The link will be linked below. Subscribe, hit the bell, drop some comments, and throw me some likes. And you can follow me on my journey as I help you with your journey. I look forward to working with every single one of you, and thank you so much again. Let's make it happen.